Hello and a warm welcome to all of you. With the last lecture, we have completed the theory part of topic properties of light. Now we will see some numericals on this topic. The formulas which you have to keep in mind while solving these numericals are on the board. So we'll just go through these formulas. Formula number 1, refractive index is given by the formula eta is equal to sin I by sin R. I is the angle of incidence and R is the angle of refraction. Second formula is again refractive index in terms of velocity of light. So refractive index eta is equal to velocity of light in air upon velocity of light in the medium. Third formula is refractive index of a prism. Eta is equal to sin A plus delta m by 2 upon sin A by 2, where A is the angle of the prism and delta m is the angle of minimum deviation. Then fourth formula is A plus delta is equal to I plus E. A is angle of prism, delta angle of minimum deviation, I angle of incidence, and E is the angle of emergence. The fifth formula is formula for dispersive power, which is equal to delta V minus delta R upon delta Y. So delta V and delta R are the angles of deviation for extreme two colors in the spectrum, and delta Y is the angle of deviation for the mean color. Here yellow is considered as mean. If you are not provided with the value of angle of deviation for yellow color, you can calculate that using the formula delta Y is equal to delta V plus delta R upon 2, as it is the mean deviation. Now you are provided with a list of problems which you are supposed to solve. We will see some of the problems in that list. The first problem is light enters from air into glass medium and the angle of incidence is 30 degrees and corresponding angle of refraction is 20 degrees. Find the refractive index of glass. First of all, you have to write down the given data. So you are given that I is equal to 30 degrees and R is equal to 20 degrees. The formula you are going to use to calculate the refractive index is eta is equal to sin I by sin R. Substitute the values of I and R. I is 30, R is 20. Now you have to use a calculator to find out sin 30 and sin 20. You will get the value of sin 30 as 0.5 and sin 20 is 0.342. So calculating this, you will get the answer as 1.461. The second problem in the list is a ray of light enters from air into glass with an angle of incidence 30 degrees. Find the value of refraction if Ri of glass is 1.5. Ri means refractive index. Again we will write down the given data. You are given I is equal to 30 degrees and you are given the refractive index as 1.5. You are supposed to calculate R, the angle of refraction. Again use the same formula, eta is equal to sin I by sin R. Put the values of I and eta. So 1.5 is equal to sin 30 divided by sin R. You are supposed to calculate R. So take this on this side, 1.5 on this side. Sin R is equal to sin 30 using the calculator is 0.5 divided by 1.5. Therefore sin R is equal to 0.5 upon 1.5, that is 0.33. Now we want the value of R. To calculate the value of R, we have to remove this sign. So how do we remove this sign? By taking sine inverse of both the sides. You can use your calculator the shift button and sine to get sine inverse. So now here, taking sine inverse of both sides, sine inverse of sine r is equal to sine inverse of 0.33. Sine inverse and sine will get cancelled. So you have r is equal to, using the calculator, calculating sine inverse of 0.33 will give you the answer r is equal to 19.47. R is angle of refraction, so the unit for this value will be degree. See the 8th problem in the list. The question is, calculate the velocity of light in glass of Ri 1.5 if velocity of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. Write down the given data. You are given refractive index of glass as 1.5 and you are given the velocity of light in air as 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. Now you are supposed to calculate the velocity of light in glass. Now we have the formula for refractive index eta in terms of velocity of light as V eta